wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gifts for teen girls. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Teens Cook Cookbook is a fun way to get your daughter interested in preparing food. Written by 2 teenage sisters, the writing is both informative and entertaining. The recipes range from delicious snacks and desserts to meals the whole family can enjoy. This one's good for beginners and includes several vegetarian options. However, the meals are not particularly healthy. At number 9, the Leaper Canvas Bag Set includes a backpack, a shoulder bag with a comfortable and durable strap, and a small purse, all featuring swaths of tribal print. Each piece is made of a lightweight material that's easy to clean and difficult to puncture. There's a laptop compartment in the backpack and thick padding on the straps, but the zippers occasionally stick. Coming in at number 8 on our list, what more could the teenager in your life want than to become a magical sea princess? The Junior White Mermaid Tail Blanket is a trendy, affordable gift that can come in handy during those chilly fall and winter nights. It's available in many colors, and there are young kid versions available too. However, the threads pull easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gifts for teen girls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the handmade Hansa Bath Bombs gift set will help you pamper your teenager on her special day. This collection features 8 relaxing fragrance blends, including favorites like cotton candy, eucalyptus, mandarin orange, and wild rose. It comes in attractive gift packaging and is also suitable for Mother's Day, but some find the scents too weak. Moving up our list to number 6. For the impossibly picky teen, there's always an Amazon gift card. Let her go on her own online shopping spree where she can get herself the gift she really wants. It's a good choice for the niece or granddaughter whose interests might have changed since you last saw her. It comes in a cute cupcake tin with no fees or expiration date. However, note that there is also no returns or refunds. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you have a little skater or hipster on your hands, then she'll love the Q-Shell Bluetooth Beanie. It comes in 25 color combinations to round out her fashion attire and has simple user-friendly controls for everything from changing songs to answering phone calls. It charges in less than 3 hours and is double knitted for warmth. It can be machine washed. At number 4, made to the exacting quality standards the company is known for, the Fender Squier Mini Stratocaster has a pink rosewood fretboard and a great range of tones. With a slim neck and a slightly smaller than usual 3/4 body, it's sized for a young girl. It's equipped with a fully adjustable bridge and 3 single coil pickups. It also comes in black or red. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, is your teen's head down constantly during family activities? Game of Phones makes a screen addiction part of the fun. This card game brings Google searches, photos, and social media accounts into play and is a great way to pass the time with any online junkie. It's good for big or small groups and comes with over 100 cards. An expansion pack is also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gifts for teen girls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, teen years are usually when girls start dabbling with makeup, so let your daughter experiment with the Shany Cosmetics Glamour Girl Kit. With 48 eyeshadows, 4 shades of blush, and 2 powders, your teen can discover her own style. It all folds up into a compact case, and the shadows are mineral oil based. None of it's tested on animals. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the JBL Charge 4 is ideal for the teen girl who loves spending time at the beach or in the pool. It may look small, but it creates a big sound with crystal clear high notes and impressive bass. And it features a microphone for voice calls too. It offers a wide frequency response range, 20 hours of playback per charge, and supports 3 Bluetooth connections. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gifts for teen girls, or simply click beneath this video.